Hey there viewers, it's your boy DCS right here on another weekend video. So this is the time which you all have been waiting for. If you guys have checked out my part 1, this is the Airfix quick build Mclaren P1 part 2 guys. Yes, the part 1 I just unboxed it and I showed you all the components like on the inside and everything, but this video we're gonna build this. Okay, but before we get to the building part, I just want to tell, if you guys are just watching the part 2 of this, check out the part 1 if you want, but if you guys just want to check out the build, do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and also press the bell icon for my latest video updates. Okay, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, don't forget that. And don't worry, the links for this car, if you guys want to buy this, it'll be in the description, but don't just go yet, watch the build at least. Come on guys. Okay, getting on with the build, here we go. First let's unbox this and take out all the components. First, right here we have all our base parts like the tires, the body panels, and all the other stuff. Next, here we have our windshield and the engine cover guys, which is, I hope it's not scratched. And what's over here? Oh, this stickers guys, the stickers for the Mclaren. So yeah, you have the Mclaren P1 and the scoops as I mentioned last time. So keeping this aside, and last but not the least, the instruction manual to build this thing. So let's start. Now first let's cut open the cover of the parts. Okay, here goes guys. Okay, and here are the parts. Oh my god, there are a total of 36 parts and there's lots. So first keeping these aside, now let's cut open the windshield. They're pretty delicate pieces as they should not contain any scratches. So yeah, at first look it doesn't look so bad, it's pretty neat, I guess so. Well, keeping them aside, and of course the engine cover too. Oh, it's not coming out. Oh yeah, here's the engine cover, pretty small I guess. Okay, but now let's find the instruction manual. When I first went through the instruction manual, the first thing what the diagram said was to take out the tires, put the wheels in such sort of manner, but we'll get to that a bit later guys, because I have a completely different format in mind. I just want to get the stickers right first, because if the details are good, the car is really good looking. So first things first, as I'm looking at the stickers, let's just check out the sticker page of the car. Okay, so the last one is the sticker page. First you have the headlamps. Yes, we have the headlamps and the rear vents, which is yeah, right there. Then the steering wheel. Okay, I gotta find the steering wheel too. And of course the engine cover, which has a P1, no, a Mclaren written on it. And I don't know, where does this one come? Well, leaving that aside, you have the side windows and the Mclaren P1 nameplate right here, which we'll fix it right now. So first finding the part. Yes, here's the headlamps part. Let's get to it. Applying the rear vent stickers. Now the steering wheel. I forgot about the nameplate after the vents. So some of the sticker pieces which actually were kind of odd to me, I found them right here. Like for example, the side panels sticker piece was this one, and also the P1 logo, which is right here, was actually gonna sit on the engine right here. So yeah, that's small details which you should not miss, guys, or else it's kind of gonna look awkward. Since all the sticker parts of the car are finished, now let's go for the wheels, guys. Yes, the wheels of the car. Alright, fixing the rims now. The larger width rim gets the larger width tire. So here we go. And now for the smaller width tire. Since the wheels are done, guys, we have to figure out how to fix this to the right axle. So, okay, going for that, we have two right here, one over here, and the other one right here. So let's just fix them up. Just a small tip, guys, before you actually put this into the car, you can actually see that there's a small rubber piece right here. You can actually sand them down just in case it'll move a little bit freely. So I'm just using a nail cutter right here and just sand it down a little bit. Yeah, and then it should do the trick, guys. Yep, now it looks much smoother compared to previous one. Now, since all the basics are done, it's time to assemble. Here we go. Alright guys, that was half of the process, and oh my god, now it is starting to look really awesome. Like, this is so awesome. Like, I actually tried building this without looking at the instruction manual, but then it got really hard and I had to look at it. So why stop here? Let's finish this thing. So going for the final touch up, a little bit of color on the logo. Okay, almost there. Done. Finally, the McLaren P1 is complete. Airfix quick build McLaren. This is an amazing product, guys. Like, actually, it was much like a stress buster to me, because putting this all together was really cool. I felt awesome when I was just putting all the things together, and it looks so good. Like, wow, it's so damn clean, and love the color of this car, which is really nice. I know it's a bit hard for like putting the stickers on. I took my own time, and it almost took me up to 2 hours to look at the instruction manual and complete this build, but in the end it's worth it. I love how it looks on the outside. You can even see the P1 logo closely right there. That's so damn amazing. And of course, the movable parts in this car is the wheels and the spoiler, which you can just put it down like this, and it's a completely new car, like a different McLaren. Like, it's so damn good, guys. I do recommend this product. Do check my description if you want to purchase this. The links will be below, and also comment your opinion on this build and also on the car too. And see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye. This is the end of the video. Wait for the part 3 of the McLaren, where I'll be getting the intro. Alright then, stay tuned. Bye bye, and share this to all your friends and family. See you then. DCS out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.